Hello Spider Peeps. Okay, so I've got a Ali delivery. It's not a haul, it's not a very big one. Really weird though, because this didn't arrive from the normal company. It arrived from a company called 4334. I don't get that. But anyway, thank you AliExpress 4344. Now look at these are cute. Look, they are 9-volt batteries. But the clue is in what comes with them. Yeah, they're little rechargeable lithium ion ones. Does that mean they're on now? Let's test the voltage on them. I mean, surely they should just be on, shouldn't they? If they are like 9-volt batteries. Yeah, whoops, wrong way around. 9.3 volts, just like a 9-volt battery. So I've got a few things that still use 9-volt batteries. I mean, it used to be my multimeters, but this multimeter, if you remember, Zoe sent me, and it's rechargeable. So that Zoe one has got a lithium cell in it, as was the other one that I recently showed on the channel. But this is my old one, which was playing up. So let's just have a look at this. Is there anything in there? No. Okay, so I'm getting no voltage off that at all. Have I got a battery in it at the moment? Oh, it looks like I've got to take it apart. All right, so I have got a battery in it, but it's not working. So let's just see whether, it's no wonder it's not working. Let's just see if I put one of these batteries in, whether it works. I've got a feeling this multimeter had completely died actually, but which is why I've got some others. But let's just see if there's a voltage. Okay, cool. All right, so it is. What does that bzz mean? Yeah, so it is reading voltage. That's good. I mean, I wonder what the voltage was on the old battery. Let's just try that. See whether it's still got something on it. 2 volts. I wonder if this entire video would be taken up with me putting these on the wrong terminal. Yeah, 2 volts, so that's had it. But it seems to be working. So it seems to be working with that. So instead of using these are my favourite. These are Duracell Industrial Pro Cells, although I think when you buy them now, I'm not quite sure whether what the ones I'm getting are really Duracell anymore. I think there's a lot of clones outside there. But of course, there's a lot of mass in that to throw away when it goes wrong. So actually having some of these PP3s, which I can recharge, is actually quite good. I mean, I don't know how long these are going to take to recharge or how long these are going to stay in there, but I'm just going to leave that battery in there now. While I'm on the subject of mass, okay, so I mean, this is why the energy density is so cool. Is this stopped working now? No, it hasn't. Okay, 46 grams is that, which I don't think you can see. Let's take that off. Tar it. Can you see that now? About 46 grams. Let's tar it again and put this one on. That's 23 grams, so tar that, take it off, and 23 grams there, 24 grams. All right, so talk about energy density, and this has got a charging circuit in as well. Quite amazing what's actually in there. In fact, what is actually in there? This is why I bought 2, and this is why I can't have nice things. Okay, let's see. I bet there's a big sign on it saying do not dismantle, but I'm going to anyway. I hope this might be quite easy to dismantle. I'm hoping it might pull apart. So there's like a silver coated label on there. Let's get into that. Well, I was hoping that might reveal a screw or a seam, and it's not. So it looks like I've got to go in the top there. So always excitement when you're going into things with lithium cells in that might be just below here. I was hoping I didn't have to break into this, because then if it had just pulled apart, I could reuse it. But let's hope I still can do that. I'm sure I can. I don't want to have to use the voice of knowledge on this, because that is the voice of never work again. Oh, that sounded good. Yes. I mean, I just really want to see what size the cell is in here. Look at that. Okay, actually the cells are big un. Cool. That's a little bit of a big boy, isn't it? So I wasn't expecting it to be that big. So a 3.7 volts. I can't see what the, looks like 20, oh no, that's, I want to find out what the rating is on the battery. I mean, on the outside it says 21,800 milliwatt hours. 21,800. They love putting all of the zeros on it and using a smaller unit on these, so it seems like you're getting more, but I'm quite impressed. Oh, there you go. It's just 1,000 milliamp hours. Okay, but of course that's 1,000 milliwatt hours, but then you're outputting a different voltage, so it's going to be less, isn't it? I could probably do the maths. Okay, the one thing that I forgot to do was plug it in. Okay, so just a nice little faint red glow there when it's charging. So we've got a little, probably a standard charging board, a bit like those I used in the other video that I've got there, apart from there's a bit more to it than this. So it's got your standard red light, which I hope will go blue when it's finished charging. Green. All right, so quite a cool little device, and I think I managed to buy 2 of them for £7, I think. So yeah, 21,800 milliwatt hours. You get a gift type C cable, not just any type C cable, you get a gift type C cable, and I bought 2 of them and it was £8.24. It was £7.99 when I bought them, and there's no postage on that, so that's pretty cool. But I'll put a link to the Ali listing, and you can get some of these as well. I hope you enjoyed this little video, Spider Peeps. So some nice 9-volt batteries that are reusable and rechargeable. How cool is that? Bye. Right, I'm going to reuse this. Make sure it goes in the right way. That'll go in there. Nice. That can go in there. That'll probably do, you know. If I put that, oh yeah, a little hole there to see the charging. I wonder if that bit lights up in blue when it's charged. We'll have to try that later. I think I'm gonna let this live in here, because yeah, that was the whole point. And then I've got another multimeter that I can use if the other ones need charging, and this is now a rechargeable one. Excellent.